Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive blend of power, portability, and performance. With a robust 1000W motor, it can reach speeds exceeding 30 miles per hour, making it perfect for both urban commuting and adventurous outings. The folding design is a standout feature. It's incredibly easy to collapse and store, fitting snugly into car trunks or small apartments. One of the primary highlights of this bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery. The ability to detach the battery allows for easy charging at home or in the office without needing to lug the entire bike. With a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, this e-bike is well suited for long-distance rides or daily commutes. Users will appreciate how the bike handles both flat terrains and hilly areas, providing consistent power throughout the journey. The build quality is solid, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that supports riders of various weights without compromising stability. The bike is equipped with a comfortable seat and ergonomic handlebars, making it suitable for prolonged use. The inclusion of front and rear suspension enhances the riding experience by absorbing bumps, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Safety has not been overlooked, as the bike comes with bright LED lights and reflective elements, ensuring visibility during low-light conditions. The dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, instilling confidence in the rider, especially when tackling higher speeds. However, potential buyers should be aware of its weight. While it folds, it still weighs a bit more than traditional bicycles due to the motor and battery. This may be a consideration for those who need to carry it frequently or up flights of stairs. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is a powerful, practical, and enjoyable option for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. Its combination of speed, range, and convenience makes it a worthy investment for both recreational riders and serious commuters.